I'm Pete Dryden, and I'm going to show you how to steam yellow squash in the oven. Things you will need: yellow squash, salt, pepper, butter, a baking pan, foil, a knife, a cutting board, and an oven. The first step is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Next, line a baking pan with foil and spray evenly with cooking spray. Rinse the squash and place it onto the cutting board. Using a knife, remove the stem portion and slice the squash in half from end to end. Scrape out the seeds and pulp from the center with a spoon. Cut each portion in half, creating 4 equal-sized pieces. Place the wedges onto the baking sheet and add some butter to each piece. Season with the desired amount of salt and pepper and cover with the foil. Place the pan in the oven and roast for 45 minutes. And that is how you steam yellow squash in the oven.